Are you tired of shooting electricity bills and worrying about potential blackouts? Look no further. In this comprehensive review of the best references of purchase channel, let's dive into the revolutionary solar switch program and find out how it can help you save money and gain energy independence. Say goodbye to expensive traditional solar panel systems and adopt a simpler, more affordable solution that will transform the way you power your home. The power of solar switch. Imagine slashing your electricity bills by up to 68% and ensuring a constant power supply for your family, regardless of external circumstances. Solar Switch offers a step-by-step video guide that teaches you how to build your very own silent, pocket power plant. With this system, you can tap into the cheapest and most reliable green power source on the planet, the sun. Ease of installation. Don't worry if you're not a handyman. Solar Switch is designed to be beginner-friendly. The video guide walks you through the entire process, which takes just 2 hours to complete. No need for specialized tools or extensive technical knowledge. In fact, you can even hire someone to assemble it for you while you sit back and relax. Space-efficient and weather-resistant. Living in a small apartment or a cold state? No problem. The Solar Switch system is compact, occupying less than 10 square feet of space. It's perfect for balconies or tiny yards, and guess what? It thrives even during the coldest winter days because it's not about the temperature but the power of the sun. Powering your home. While the Solar Switch system can potentially power an entire house, it's recommended to combine it with other energy sources for a more reliable setup. By understanding the system's principles, you can scale it up to meet your power needs. It's all about customizability and adaptability, ensuring your family's safety and comfort. Unveiling the bonuses. When you invest in Solar Switch, you'll gain access to a treasure trove of bonuses. The Homestead EMP Protection Protocol report will safeguard your home and power supply from any disaster or blackout. Additionally, the Energy Stockpiling Secrets report empowers you to maximize the use of your solar power. And lastly, the Homestead Alternative Energy Sources report explores other natural energy resources that Mother Nature has to offer. Imagine the possibilities: financial savings, a worry-free life, and the freedom to enjoy the things that truly matter to you. Solar Switch offers all of this and more, with a risk-free, no questions asked, money-back guarantee for 60 days. There's no reason not to try it for yourself. Embrace the power of Solar Switch today and unleash a brighter, greener future for you and your loved ones. We leave the link of the official website in the description of this video to order now and embark on your journey to energy independence. Sustainability and environmental benefits. By harnessing the power of solar energy, you'll be making a positive impact on the environment. Solar power is a clean, renewable energy source that produces zero emissions. With Solar Switch, you'll be actively contributing to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. Customer support and satisfaction guarantee. We understand that investing in a new energy system can raise questions or concerns. That's why Solar Switch offers top-notch customer support to address any issues you may have. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you on your energy journey. Moreover, we stand behind the Solar Switch system with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied within 60 days of purchase, simply contact our support team, and we will refund your investment with no questions asked. The Solar Switch system is a game changer for anyone looking to save money, reduce their carbon footprint, and gain energy independence. With its easy installation, space-efficient design, and weather-resistant features, Solar Switch offers a reliable and affordable solution to power your home. Don't miss out on the opportunity to embrace a brighter, greener future. Order your Solar Switch system today and take control of your energy consumption. Say goodbye to expensive electricity bills and hello to a sustainable lifestyle. We leave the link of the official website in the description of this video to order now and experience the power of Solar Switch firsthand. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews. See you next time.